Hey guys, can a Wi-Fi owner see your browsing history? The real answer, yes and no. Let's break it down with zero fluff. What they can see, a Wi-Fi owner can see what devices are connected, how much data each device uses, domains you visit, example youtube.com, instagram.com, apps connecting to the internet, times you are online. This is visible through router logs, advanced network monitoring software, enterprise level systems, right? What they cannot see exact pages you visited, search history, passwords, messages, what videos you watched, or images you opened, as long as the site uses HTTPS. Almost every modern site does. The Wi-Fi owner sees the domain only, not the content. Example, they can see you visited facebook.com, but they cannot see inside your inbox, messages, or searches. How to protect your privacy? Always use a VPN. So go right to the settings, general, scroll with that to the VPN and device management, and make sure to connect a VPN, right? Use private relay on iCloud Plus. Use private browsing. Do not connect to suspicious public Wi-Fi. Your searches and data stay private. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.